Hello, fans. Thank you for joining me there tonight. Tonight I'm going to continue with that Phanteks case build there. Continue on. I just took out all the parts and the old one. It's all the parts, and some parts probably will not be going back in because some parts don't fit this unit. Don't fit in here. So let's take the cover off and let's get this started. Oh yes, and I added some rollers on the bottom there, some wheels, so that it can move around easy, so it's not difficult to move it from, pull from underneath the desk, which is very convenient. So let's open this up. So taking the side off. So that's all good there. So now let's put the motherboard inside the case.